Imagine two friends. One start investing just $100 a month at age 20. The other waits until age 30 but invests twice as much every month. Who become richer? Most people would say the second person, but they wrong. The first investor often ends up with hundreds of thousands of dollars more even after investing much less money. How is that even possible? The answer is one simple financial principle that has created more millionaires than almost anything else. Compound interest. It's one the most powerful force the personal finance. Yet most people don't truly understand it. In today's video, I will explain compound interest using simple real life examples, reveal why time is more valuable than money, and show you how even small investments can completely change your financial future. Let's get started. What is compound interest? Most people think investing works like a salary. You invest $100, you make $10. Then next year you make another $10. But that's a simple interest. Compound interest works differently. Instead of earning money only on your original investment, you also earn money on the profits you already made. In other words, your money starts making money, then that money starts making even more money. Imagine planting a mango tree. After a few years, it grows fruit. Now take every mango seed and plant it. Soon you will have dozens of trees. Each tree produce more fruits. Eventually, one tree become an entire orchid. That exactly how compound interest works. Your investment grows. The growth itself begin growing. The snowball effect. Thinking about rolling a tiny snowball down a Sonony Hill. At first, nothing exactly happens. The snowball grows slowly. It's almost feel like nothing changing. But after a while, it becomes bigger. It it's come bigger, then bigger. Eventually, it's become massive. The funny thing is, most of its growth happens near the end. Money behaves exactly the same way. During the first few years, progress feels painfully. Slowly, many people quit here, but those who stay patient eventually experience explosive growth. That's why investing is not about getting rich next month. It's about becoming wealthy over decades. Real life example has one. Let's meet Search. At age 22, she decided to invest just $200 every month. She does not earn her salary. She skips a few unsuccessful purchases every month and invested. Instead, 10 years later, she has invested only $24,000. But thanks to compound interest, her investments grows much more than what originally put. No imagine show keep investing until retirement. Even thought her monthly investments stayed the same. Her money began growing faster every single year, not because she investing more, but because compound interesting is doesn't heavy lifting. Real life example has two. Now let's compare. Share with James. Search start investing at 22. James wait until 32 because he thinks I will start once I earn more. By age 32, James has much better salary. He invests quick as much every month. Sounds smart, right? Surprising. Search still ends with far more money by retirement. Why? Because she saved her investment something. James can never buy back time. Money can you earn again. Time cannot. Every year you delay investing is a year compound. Interest never gets back. Why the rich love compound interest? Rich people understand something. Most people don't. They don't work only for money. They make money work for them. Instead of buying things that lose value, they buy assets, stocks, business, real estate, index funds. Every year, this investment generates returns. Those returns create even more returns. Eventually, their investment grows faster than their paycheck. That's why wealth people become wealthy, not because they always earn more, but because they understand compound growth. Biggest mistake people make. Mistake number one, waiting for the perfect moment. There will never be a perfect time. The best time was a year ago. The second best time is today. Mistake number two, trying double money overnight. Many people chase risk, investment hoping to get rich quickly, economical. Most wealth investors become rich by doing the exactly opposite, slow, constantly. Patient investing. Mistake number three, stopping too early. Compound interest needs time. If you keep withdrawing investments every few years, you will never experience its true power. Who to use compound interest today? You don't need thousands of dollars. Start with whatever you can afford. Invest every month. Stay constantly. Reinvest your profit. Avoid emotional decisions. During market ups and downs, and most importantly, be patient. Remember, the first few years are the hardest because growth looks invisible, but eventually compound interest reward those who refuse to quit. Outro. Here the biggest reason from today's videos. Getting rich is not always about earning more money sometimes. It's simple about giving your money enough time to grow. The earlier you start, the easier your financial future becomes. You ask yourself this. If your future self could send you one piece of financial advice today, don't you think it would start investing slow? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more simple finance video that can help you build long-term wealth. And in comments answer the question, what's one thing you will stop spending money on you so can start investing instead?